Hello guys, welcome back. Over here guys is my payment proof of 1702.82 TRX. Okay, so I received this payment today being November 29th 2021. Okay, and in this video now I'm going to guide you step by step on how I was able to make this amount of TRX today from this particular website. Okay, so you are watching a minor group guys. On this channel I make videos on how to make money online, especially with cryptocurrency, airdrops and others. Okay, so if you enjoy making money with crypto, do give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe, and please do make sure your notification bell is turned on so YouTube can easily notify you each time a new video is being published to this time. Okay, so stay tuned guys and watch this video till the end. I'm going to be showing you all step by step on how to get your limited tron TRX from this particular website. Okay, so over here guys, when I scroll down, I'm going to discover that on my promotional account I have over 1702 TRX. Okay, so at the end of this video guys, I'm going to be withdrawing this 1702 TRX to my Clever wallet. Okay, so first of all guys, to earn here you have to sign up. Okay, and when you sign up you'll be getting 600 TRX as a sign up bonus. Okay, and that will be moved to your basic wallet. Okay, so you're going to get the link to join this website in the description box of this video. Okay, so over here guys, to start earning, you can earn here by depositing and also by inviting your friends. Okay, and to deposit guys, just come over here now and click on deposit. Okay, so when you click on deposit you'll be brought to this page, and over here all you have to do now is to copy the address that is being given to you and deposit from 5 TRX and above. Okay, so right now guys, you have to deposit what you can afford to lose on internet, and please deposit and invest at your own risk. Okay, and guys, when you deposit you'll be getting from 2.5% to 8% according to what you recharged. Okay, so right now I'm just going to copy the address that has been given to me, and I'll be depositing to the site. Okay, so right now all you have to do now is to just go over to your wallet, maybe Trust wallet or any wallet you are making use of. Okay, so as for me, I always prefer Clever when it comes to TRX Tron coin. Okay, so here we are. I'll be depositing 200 TRX to the site. Okay, so here remember that the minimum amount to deposit guys is just 5 TRX. Okay, so but the bigger you deposit is the bigger you earn. Okay, so here I'm just going to click on send here. Okay, and I'll be depositing 200 TRX to the site. Over here I'm just going to paste the address that I copied from the site. I'm just going to paste it here like this, then I'm just going to click on send to send the payment. Okay, so here you can see that I have just sent 200 TRX to the website. Okay, so that is it, so simple. Okay, so right now guys, once you have deposited to the site, just go back to the site like this and click on recharge completed. Okay, so guys, you can see the total amount of TRX that I have recharged here is over 2000 TRX. Okay, so here it is, right? So once you have recharged, you'll be getting from 2.5% to 8% of what you recharged every single day, and it will be moved to your basic wallet. Okay, so to withdraw, come over here and you click on this withdraw button. Okay, and you can see over here that my daily withdrawal limit here is over 50 TRX. Okay, so this is because I only recharged 2000. Okay, so let us check 2.5% of 2000, and you are going to see that this is over 50 TRX. Okay, so because I only recharged 2000 TRX guys, I can only withdraw 50 TRX every single day. So the bigger you invest is the bigger you withdraw from this website. Okay, so let us go back, and here they have the basic account and the promotional account. Okay, so this basic account guys is where you're going to see the earnings, that is your profit, the profit that you made from your deposit. Okay, but here in your promotional wallet, this is where you are going to see the earnings that you made from your referrals. Okay, and the daily withdrawal limit guys is unlimited. Okay, so I'm going to be withdrawing from my promotional wallet. Okay, so please do not skip any part of this video if you want to see my payment proof. Okay, so at the end of this video I'm also going to show you how to get your referral link and also what you'll be getting as a referral commission from your referrals. Okay, So here to withdraw, I'm going to first of all enter the amount I want to withdraw here. So I'll be withdrawing 1702.82 TRX. Okay, so over here I'm also going to enter my password here, okay, and also get my TRX address. Okay, so I'm going to clear out this one, and let us go back to Clever so I can be able to get my TRX address. Okay, so here you can withdraw using any wallet of your choice. Okay, so do not be confused. I'm just going to copy my Clever wallet address, that is my Clever TRX address. Okay, so you can withdraw using any wallet of your choice, but I always prefer Clever. Okay, so I'm going to paste it here. Okay, so here we go, and enter my password here. Okay, alright, so you can see that I'm about to withdraw 1702 TRX to my TRX address or TRX account on Clever. So here's my password. I'm just going to click on withdraw. Okay, so you can see here withdrawal was successful. Okay, so right now guys, you can see that I just received a notification now from Clever saying that 1702.82 TRX was sent to you. Okay, so let me open my Clever wallet account, and here it is. Okay, I'm just going to click on it. Alright, and you can see over here that I just received 1702.82 TRX. Okay, so here you can see that I received this payment today, being 29th of November 2021. Okay, so the site is legit guys, and I'm going to advise you how to go ahead and sign up right now and start earning yourself some TRX. Okay, but do not forget to always invest what you can afford to lose on internet, and always invest at your own risk. Okay, so here is the amount over here, over 1702.82 TRX. Okay, so you can go ahead and work on the site and earn yourself some TRX. Okay, so right now guys, let me go back to the site and show you how you can get your referral link and start inviting your friends. Okay, so to get your referral link guys, by the way, you can see that my new account balance here is over 0.00888 TRX. Okay, so to get your referral link, click on this share button down here, and all you have to do here now is to copy your link and start inviting your friends via Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, WhatsApp, Telegram, TikTok, and all those social platforms of your choice. Okay, and they have a third level referral system which allows you to earn 10% of whatever your level 1 deposit, 5% of whatever your level 2 deposit, and 2% of whatever your level 3 deposit. Okay, so go ahead and start inviting your friends with your unique referral link. Okay, so when I click on mine over here, you are going to see my level 1 referrals. I have over 5,515 referrals on level 1. Level 2 has over 7,857, and level 3 has over 9,516. Okay, so go ahead and work on the site now and start earning yourself some TRX every single day. Okay, so you can also be clicking on this trading button here, and you'll be getting 6% of whatever you have in your basic wallet. Okay, by just clicking on receive. Okay, but this should only appear after 24 hours of your sign up. Okay, so that is all for today. You can also click on this announcement button here to read the announcement. Okay, by just clicking on this promotion button. Okay, so that is all for today guys. If you found this video helpful, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. Okay, and please do make sure your notification bell is turned on so YouTube can easily notify you each time a new video is being published. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Once again, stay safe.